Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about showing you how to add a sub count to your live streams or videos, wherever you want to put them. This will be about Twitch and YouTube, so let's get straight on with it. First off, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube Studio. First off, you just go to YouTube. This is if you don't have it pinned or anything. Go onto your YouTube profile picture. YouTube Studio, you can't see it because it's underneath my webcam, but it'll just say YouTube Studio with the logo of YouTube Studio, and this is what you'll be brought up with. Now you go to Channel Analytics, see Sub Count or Live Count, click on it and you'll be brought up with this. Now you want to copy and paste this, so not paste it, just copy it first, and then you want to bring up your OBS. Now you open a new browser source, which is just go to your sources, click the plus browser, which is a picture of the world, and then let's just put live count as the name. You will get rid of that one and paste the YouTube link in. Now it'll be dead big, but what you do is just click Alt, hold it, and then just go to one of the dots and just make it smaller. Now you can do this however you want, but that is how you do it, and then you can just move it to wherever you want, whether it's the corner, make it a bit small. So if you want to make this sub count transparent, all you do, right click, filters, and then you go on color key. You just click plus on the effects, select color key, and now what you want to do is turn the first similarity all the way up and close, and now you can see that is transparent. Now you can add it wherever you want. But also there's another way you can make this stand out a bit. So you want to add some text. Let's lock that in place a minute. You can lock it in place so you don't move it wherever you've put it. Click on text. I'm going to leave that blank. Now you want to add your name. So I'm just going to put sub goal. I'm going to change the font to Bada Boom BB. Now that's like that. Let's get rid of that letter. And I'm going to add a minus, and then we're just going to do a load of spaces, a slash. I'm just going to put, say, 1500 like my YouTube stream. Now we can make this smaller if you want to, which I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And we want to add an outline. So click on outline, scroll down a bit, click on the colour. I'm going to go for black. You can do this any colour you want, and just keep going until you think you've got the outline you want. Click OK, make it smaller, and obviously you can make it fit your sub count. So we've got the sub count unlocked, and we just do that. Now as you can see, it's not particularly big enough, so what you do is go back on your text, make some more spaces, and grab your sub count, put it like there. Now we can make that a bit bigger to match the size, and there you go, there's the sub count. But that's basically how I make sub count. Make sure you lock it in place so you know it's there, and you can group them together. Now group selected items, let's just put sub G, we'll name it that, and then that is named, and you just grab them like the live sub count, drag it above or onto the text of your folder, and there you go. And then when you unlock that folder, you can just grab it, drag it wherever you want, to like above your webcam if you wanted, anywhere you want. So if you guys on Twitch want to do a Twitch sub goal, or follow a goal, then you just go on your Twitch account, make sure you're logged in, click on your profile picture, create a dashboard, streamer manager. Now you'll be brought up with this. Yours may look different, but you go to the star icon and click on it. You scroll all the way down, copy. Now we go back to OBS. We go on browser. We'll just do TTV goal is what we'll name it. And then you want to paste that link. Now your follower goal will be up. You can also do this with your sub goal as well, but because this box is huge, I'm going to make it a bit smaller there, so you can put it wherever you want, underneath your webcam, any corner, and then that's done. There is your follower goal for Twitch. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it did help, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. If you enjoy gaming videos, I'll have my main channel link in the description, so check that out. I do live stream on there as well if you like live streams, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.